This is how you can make vlogs that sell without having to LARP or lie to your audience. Before we get into it, as you see, I know what I'm talking about. This is one of my past clients, Jordan, and I helped him get over 100,000 views and qualified viewers with just simple vlogs like this ones. Now, the main difference between a LARPing vlog and a real vlog is the results that you're going to get. The views are going to be completely different because LARPing vlogs tend to get way more viewers, where real vlogs, as you see right here, we don't get as much. Like see 8K, 12K, 7K, 5K, which is not a lot, but still decent. But in general, you can expect under 1K views sometimes, like 5K, 10K, somewhere around that. But LARPing vlogs, they tend to get 100, 200, even up to 1,000,000 views. And the reason why is very simple, because the audience is completely different. There are way more people who are going to watch a fake vlog than people who are going to actually be interested in a real lifestyle. And because this usually LARPing vlogs, they attract a highly unqualified audience, usually kids who just want quick motivation. Let's say we can be like 10-year-old Indian dudes who just are running an Instagram theme page and want to get some quick motivation between making a few more edits or sending a bit of outreach. But the revenue is completely different because real vlogs are always going to get way more revenue for you just because the audience is more qualified. Now, the first difference between LARPing vlogs and real vlogs and what you don't need to do and what you need to do to actually get results and get a high quality audience that actually is going to buy from you is how you show your lifestyle. Because in LARPing vlogs, every small moment is usually shown. You get in a car, you show the logo of the car, you show yourself having a call in the car, you show yourself smoking in the car, you get to a restaurant, you show every little small detail of the restaurant, things that don't truly matter, but you still show them. The problem with that, your mind might not realize why this is a problem, but the problem is very simple, because you're showing viewers that this is not normal for you, that this life of luxury is not something that you lead every single day. Because let's be honest, somebody who has been living in luxury for years and years at this point, going to a restaurant is gonna feel like just a normal Monday. It's not gonna feel like anything crazy. And because of that, don't show every single small thing. As you see, first thing that you have to do is nothing is shoved on the viewer, down the viewer's throat. Because they need to see that, hey, this is my normal life. I'm not gonna keep showing you every single small detail. You're just going to tell them, oh, okay, I'm going to a restaurant with my friends. You might show some clips in the car of you talking with your friends, or maybe just the road, how you're driving, stuff like that. Then when you get to the restaurant, you just show a few clips of you and your friends talking or eating, and that's done. You don't show every small detail. Next, there's constant flexing. This goes again in what I told you before. If you flex, you just tell people that this is new to me. I need to show you because, first of all, I feel great about myself because I managed to finally do this thing which I want to guess, like a car or a watch. But this is new to me. This is not something that I have ever had before. Because of that, I have to show you. But in real vlogs, expensive things are background items because this is the ultimate power play. When expensive things that cost thousands of dollars are just background things that you act like are normal, that don't even matter, that's how you truly show that you have power, because those items mean nothing to you. Then lastly, every second has noise. In most LARPing vlogs, every single second has either music, talking, or even stuff just happening. But in real vlogs, there's sometimes silence. Because when you constantly fry your viewer's dopamine receptors, he's never going to be able to even think for himself. And because of that, mostly is also one of the reasons why LARPing vlogs have such a huge viewer base. Because the people that watch usually have problems with their fucking mind and they can't just sit. They're always gonna be scrolling, and that's why usually kids watch them. Or real vlogs are usually watched by people who have money, maybe have a business, maybe not at the point that they want to be at, but they still already know their shit. Next, the second difference is the call to actions. In LARPing vlogs, there's constant reminders of joining mentorship or course. The problem with that again is that you just tell your viewers, like, hey, I need you to do this for me because it's very important to me for you to go and buy my course. Instead of people buying your course, feeling like you're doing them a favor by putting your course for only $5,000 a month, you make it sound like you're dependent of them buying your course. But in real vlogs, a call to action to join the mentorship is only like once or twice in the video because you don't depend on your course to live your lifestyle. You're already living this life. And even if you, let's be honest, maybe some of you actually depend on that course. But by you only having one or two call to actions, in general, you just make it more high quality. You don't make it seem like this is something, please, please, please buy my course, buy my course. No. It's just something or like, okay, buy my course. Next, you show results often, even when not needed in the LARPing vlogs. And this usually goes in with just because in these vlogs, most of the creators, unfortunately, they feel bad about themselves because they know that it's not legit. Yes, maybe they make 100K a month, but they spend 90K, 95K, or even some of them spend like 100, over 120K on their lifestyle. And because of that, they feel like they have to show these results because otherwise the viewer won't believe them. And because of that, they do the constant flexing. Because of that, they constantly tell people like, oh, my student made 10K yesterday. I made $500 in this hour. And then after half an hour, they say, oh, I made this amount today. It's just because they need this validation. They need to tell people like, okay, no, I actually know what I'm talking about. I'm not just bullshitting you to buy my course. But in real vlogs, results are shown when it fits the flow of a video. Let's say you're around the middle of your vlog, you're on a late night ride with your car, and then you might be having a raw talk to the camera for like a few minutes, and then you just mention, and I made the crazy thing that, oh, I made like 2K today. Like a few years ago, this would have felt crazy, but now it's just a normal day. Or you're waking up and you say like, oh, it's just 9 a.m. and I have already made this amount. And then you don't really talk about it that much because again, it is normal to you. It's not something that's crazy to you, just a normal Monday. It's just normal Tuesday for you to make 5K a day. And now, if you have any questions, bro, feel free to message me on Instagram when I reply to any of your questions. And thank you for watching. If you want us to work with you and help you grow with vlogs or even talking head videos or mirror videos like this one, just book a call with me. First link in the description. Thank you for watching this and have a great day. Goodbye.